Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to make Phonk music on Riffusion AI. So guys, first thing is go to riffusion.com and this will be their homepage. So now just simply go ahead and select this one, create the music you imagine, and it will prompt you to sign in into an account. So I'm going to continue with my Google account. And now, once you are signed in, provide a name. I'm gonna go for best online and click on done. And after that, just simply create the music you imagine over here. And you will have two options. You could either compose, which you could add a lyrics and you could describe the sound. But for now, I'm gonna go for a prompt. So from here, my prompt will be make a punk beat with heavy bass, lo-fi sound, cowbells, and old school rap vibes, and it should sound dark and chill like the 90s Memphis style. So pretty much over here, guys, the more specific your prompts are and the simpler, the better the result. And now if you like to do a random prompt, you could just simply click over here. And if you want to do instrumental, you could just simply turn this on. For now, I'm gonna go for generate over here. And from here, it will generate two samples. And now from here, you will have two songs. And you can just simply play it out over here. Now, if you select a specific song, you could publish it. You could use Vibe, which from here, you could have a sample, which it will be a reference. And you could also go for remix over here, which you could swap the vocals or swap the sound. So let's say I'm gonna go for swap vocals, and from here you could edit out the lyrics and you could change the sound and you could edit the details as well. So pretty much over here you could change the music, and from here you could just simply go for compose or generate once again in order for you to make it better. And pretty much that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.